Hi Girl Boss Beauties, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me again today. We are talking all about hair and specifically how I am going to build the strands of my hair, make them healthier and stronger with Olaplex. If this is your first time checking out my channel, welcome. I am Stacey Elaine and this is the Girl Boss Beauty community. Please subscribe to the channel if you want more updates on how women, working women, busy women try to do it all. That's the focus of my channel. It's here to encourage, it's here to enlighten, and it's here to inspire. So with that being said, let's get into the topic of the day, which is the Olaplex No.3 Hair Builder. And I want to mention this is the No.3. This is not the No.1 and No.2 Olaplex, which is sold in salons only and which is used in salons only. The Olaplex Hair Perfector No.3 is the take-home portion of the Olaplex system. It is for people like myself who get Olaplex done in the salon and then you want to touch it up at home and keep your strands really strong. So I mentioned in a few previous videos that my hair had gotten damaged when a lady decided she wanted to try to dry detangle my hair, which I never do in the salon, and she was combing my hair out and basically just shredded some of my strands, and I started cutting off some of those ends, and I like my hair to be as healthy as possible, and so that's why I bought the Olaplex Hair Perfector from Sephora. It cost $28 and I received 3.3 fluid ounces. So I want to mention this is not a conditioner, and I'm reading from the Olaplex website. No.3 is our at-home bond builder that contains the same active ingredient found in all professional Olaplex products. Our patented technology relinks the broken disulfide bonds in every type of hair, providing real structural repair that works from within. They say for best results, follow their instructions. So it says that you can use this once per week, but if your hair is extremely damaged, you can use it up to 2 and 3 times per week. It's best to be applied on damp, towel-dried hair. If you have buildup in your hair, which I do, I've used every type of product over the last 10 days on my hair, it does recommend that you do a light shampoo to get that product out. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm going to use the Kinky Curly Come Clean. I'm going to use use it once and shampoo this out of my hair. I'm going to let it sit on. It says apply a generous amount from scalp to ends until the hair is thoroughly saturated. So I can't really say how much you should use and how much I should use. I just know that I got 3.3 ounces and I'm going to use this until my hair is thoroughly saturated. I'm going to let this sit on my hair for about half an hour while I do some laundry and maybe do some work, maybe up to an hour. It says rinse from hair, then you shampoo and condition as usual. So again, this may look like a creamy shampoo or a creamy conditioner, but it is not. It is a hair rebuilder. So I have used Olaplex. I've gotten it done in the salon maybe 4 to 6 times already. I absolutely love it. It restores my hair from within. It makes my curls perfect, my ringlets perfect. It strengthens my hair but doesn't leave it hard. I find that it is just an excellent product. I normally get Olaplex done when I'm getting my hair colored. As you can see, I have not had my hair colored in a very long time, but I plan to get it colored in the next couple months. So this is a great treatment to use pre-coloring service and then use the Olaplex 1 and 2 in salon when you get your hair colored. Olaplex was created, I believe, For those who damage their hair during the color process, it allows you to go through chemical processes and leave with your hair in a better condition than when you left, compared to normally when your hair would be looking fly but melt off in your hands and you be picking it out just weeks later from all of the harsh chemicals. Now you can, lift the hair, go blonde, use the Olaplex in the salon, which is number 1 and number 2, and keep your hair strong at home with number 3. So I'm going to open it up and take the seal off. See how it smells. It smells like a deep conditioner. It smells like a deep conditioner that has a little chemical in it. So I'm going to go shampoo my hair. I'm going to saturate it, and I'll let you know like how much I actually use when I come back. Okay guys, I am back. I have lightly shampooed my hair as I mentioned I would do. So my hair is pretty thick, as you can see. So I'm just going to go over how much product I have to use. So the application, it just says apply a generous amount from scalp to ends until hair is thoroughly saturated. Let me towel dry my hair. Your hair should be damp but not wet, they said. And then I'm just gonna pour it on. This is basically that was one squeeze out of the tube. And then I'll just try to saturate my hair as best I can. Yeah, so now I'm smelling the little chemical smell out of it. But it's probably not the worst smelling thing I put on my hair, to be honest. So if you have more hair than me, you might need 2 of these. I'm just gonna put that on out there. If your hair is thinner and shorter than mine, then you probably will be able to use this from week to week. So yeah, I'm just saturating as it mentioned. I just took off my plastic cap. This is what my hair is looking like. I actually left it on for 55 minutes. It's now an hour later. I do notice a bit of clumping, especially on this side, that was not present before I did it. And this is clumping that I don't normally see even when I condition my hair. Now, I must say some of my hair is just wavy and it will never clump. Like these right here, I don't want you to think this is damaged. This is literally how loose my curl pattern is. My hair is not the same curl pattern all over. But I will rinse it out and see what it's looking like, but right now it's feeling pretty good. Hi guys, so this is what my hair looks after my shampoo and condition. I shampooed with the Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla shampoo, and I deep conditioned with the We Dad Meltdown mask, the one that's for also helping to bring back the curls. What I can say is when I rinsed the Olaplex out before shampooing, my hair was so soft. Like, I was like, my hair is pillow soft, and I haven't even added the pillow soft curls yet. Like, that is the word or the term that came to my mind. My hair was pillow soft. Right now, I can tell you my hair is much less frizzy than it normally is after I have rinsed all the water out, the conditioner out, and kind of towel dried it. This is my hair towel dried. Like, but where the frizz at though? Like, that is what I loved about Olaplex, and I'm going to go ahead and start putting my my leave-in conditioners in before my hair dries up. That's what I loved about Olaplex in the salon, is that I would get it done while I was getting my hair colored, and then go in with a blowout. So I would get a blowout service after I got my hair colored, and every single time my hair was silky, like no frizz. And then I would come back and rinse my hair and shampoo it at home, and again, no frizz. And it's the best treatment I've found for frizzy natural hair like mine. In terms of a curl pattern, I think a lot of the hair over here looks a bit tighter. This hair, like I mentioned, this side of my hair is just wavier in general. So I'll have to see how the hair looks after I put all of my products in to really gauge, like, oh, well, did my curl pattern tighten up after this one time at home treatment? But I can say that I do notice a difference in the health of my hair. You know, even if you can't see it, you know, when you touch your hair, the difference. You can feel a difference, or you could feel that it felt the exact same. And to me today, my hair feels different than it has, let's say, last week when I shampooed it and did a wash and go. So I am pleased with the results. I like that my hair isn't as frizzy. I like that it feels stronger and healthier. If you want to know what I'm putting on my hair right now, it's the Frizz Dismiss by Redken, following the Anti-Snap by Redken. So these are my leave-ins, and then I'm just gonna go in with the Pillow Soft curls and go about my way. But as of today, right now, this is my bounce back, no product in my hair. Like, my hair is normally frizzier than this. Most of my hair on this side, you can see how it looks even from the root. It's not that curly. It's pretty wavy on this side. I don't know. And the longer it gets, the weirder my curl pattern gets too. But I am butt blank naked. So I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of my clothes on and finish my hair. But I just wanted to wrap up this review and application video of the Olaplex. Like, my hair right now is so soft. I feel like I'm about to have serious hand in hair issues. And for natural girls, you know that's not good, but that's what I feel. I'll turn around. So that is it. I'm liking it, actually. My hair is so soft, you guys. Like, it's kind of like I had a hair transplant very quickly. So that is it. You guys be blessed. Let me know your thoughts on Olaplex. Let me know if you tried it more than once and what were your results at home. And then how was the at-home treatment a good prep for getting your hair colored, because that's what I'm gonna do. Until next time, see you later, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.